Welcome to Kickserv. Running a service business means juggling countless moving parts from scheduling jobs to tracking payments, keeping track of documents, adding notes, profit sharing, and everything in between. That's exactly why we've redesigned our jobs page. This central hub is designed to help you run your business more effectively, giving you complete visibility and control over every aspect of your operations. The first thing you'll notice is our completely redesigned top section, featuring 3 key process categories: opportunities, jobs, and invoices. This gives you an instant snapshot of your business pipeline. You can change the status to help know where you're at in the process every step of the way. Mark an opportunity won or lost. Keep track of the job status, whether you're in progress, waiting for parts, or the work is done. You can also see the status of an invoice at a glance. Here you can also send an estimate or an invoice to the customer directly and CC anyone else who might need to see the document. Any other actions you could possibly need are in the More dropdown. No matter what phase of the job you're in, from early customer interaction to sending over a payment request, you have access to every widget at any point. Want to add a customer-facing or internal note? No problem. Forgot to upload a photo of the finished project but already sent the invoice? We've got you covered. Below the status and top navigation, you'll find your comprehensive overview of the job. On the left, we have the customer's contact information, any special instructions, and quick access to a map view. On the right, you'll see the job description, scope of work, and any additional information. Here, we also have the tags and messaging tabs, accessible at any time. One of the most powerful features is our enhanced scheduling system. You can view all your scheduled estimates, jobs, and reminders at a glance. Here you can edit and delete events and send out customer notifications. Have a job you'll be performing on a recurring timeline? Turn this job into a recurring event by clicking the Recurring Job button on the Schedule widget. You can use a preset or customize the time frame to best fit your needs. Define the frequency, assign team members, and Kickserv automatically creates and schedules these jobs for you. No more manual entry for routine work. Set it once and let the system handle the rest. Time tracking has never been easier. Your team can clock in and out directly from the mobile app or manually log hours right here on the jobs page, and you can see real-time updates. Monitor who's working on what, track project hours against estimates, and ensure accurate billing. If something is entered incorrectly, edit it or delete it altogether. The financial tracking features keep your money matters organized. You can quickly add charges, expenses, and all necessary information that goes along with it: receipts, attachments, anything you need for your records. You can also track payments received, payment type, status of online payments, and the outstanding balance. Set up invoice reminders to make sure your invoices get paid on your schedule. Sometimes stuff happens and a client may ask for a refund. We can help with that too. Send refunds back to the customer via Stripe online payment or log refunds manually. Knowing what's going on at every job can be challenging. Our job activity filtering system lets you sort and search your job activity quickly to find out what you need to know fast. Filter by customer activity, employee activity, or system activity with ease. Everyone's business is different, so we've made the jobs page completely customizable. You can hide or show widgets based on what's most important to your operations. Simply click the Customize button to add, remove, or rearrange widgets. Focus on the metrics that matter most to your business. Whether you're focused on scheduling, financials, or team productivity, you can create a dashboard that works exactly how you work. The new Kickserv Jobs page brings together everything you need to manage your service business efficiently. From tracking opportunities to managing schedules, monitoring finances, and customizing your workflow, it's all here in one powerful, intuitive interface. With Kickserv, it really is that simple.